Top 5 Funny Cats Compilation. Number 1. Cat vs. Duck, a battle of nonsense. Number 2. When the cat tries to open the drawer of secrets as if it were a great detective. Number 3. When the two cats turn into martial arts champions with their paws. Number 4. Mission Impossible. The cat defies the laws of physics to enter the fish dream factory. Number 5. When the kitchen paper turns into the cat's Olympic playground.
Stop! Raggy! Stop!
Thank you for joining us on this video full of laughter and funny cat moments. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel and share it with your loved ones. See you in a new video full of fun and happiness.